work they have done for
Ekihandike cy'umugambi wa UPDF yashohoze rizoba President Museveni kandi uri umudumuzi mukuru w'iherya ya UPDF yakuza abasirikare bari ku 2031. Umubamwa habakora batungireza rank za higuru ni Major General Muhozi Kainerugaba origera hidara ya Major General Katunga ya Lieutenant General.
Grace.
Thank you, sir. It's true, His Excellency the President and Commander-in-Chief has confirmed the promotion of 2,031 personnel from the UPDF because of the very excellent work they have done for Uganda and for Africa.
Abandi ni Lieutenant General Ivan Koreta na Lieutenant General Joram Mugume kandi aba bombe batunga nyota ya kana kuba ba general.
Ivan Koreta now promoted to general, who is also a member of parliament. We have senior presidential advisors, Lieutenant General Muhozi Kainerugaba and Lieutenant General Prose Naruiso, the Joint Chief of Staff now, Lieutenant General Joseph Msand, and many others.
Do you think you have the ambition?
Time for lunch?
No, I don't have the ambition.
To be president? You don't
No, I
Let
don't.
me request the general to join the CDF.
I'm very happy being in the military, and that's why I intend to stay for some time.
Gasha kwa Edward Muhumuzi.